Hello, hello, I am back again with another style video, and today I am doing this sort of casual goth mini dress look. This dress is actually kind of a fancy dress. I wore this to my cousin's wedding last June, so it can be a fancier dress. And look at how talented I am at zipping up my own dress. I have to tell you, I am very proud of these skills, and I am glad that they have been showcased for the world to see on the internet. These buttons are really cute. They're actually like little pearls with little rhinestones. I'm not sure if you can see them on video, but this dress is actually very comfy for how fancy it is. These are my fave tights. I actually don't love like really solidly black tights. I like when they're a little bit see-through. I just think they have a different vibe, but I hate when they're shiny. When you find these really sheer black tights that are shiny, they are so 80s, and they just remind me of like being in like dance class as a 6-year-old in the 80s. I also have this weird aversion to wearing short boots without socks. It's such a thing right now. I don't know if it's maybe the generation below me. A lot of my girlfriends, they wear their boots with no socks. And not only do I think it's kind of gross, but I also think it looks weird. Like when there's just like the top of the boot and there's no sock at the top. Maybe it's because I was a teenager in the 90s and it was a very grunge thing to do, but I always wear socks with my boots. These boots are by Betsy Johnson. Oh, everything I'm wearing is credited in the description below, so if you are interested in, what I'm wearing, check out the description. These have little skulls on the backs of them. Of course they do, because they're Betsy Johnson. And these are cute little faux fur heart leopard print earrings. I chose these ones because the little top of them that goes kind of in my ear, they're little faux pearls, so they match the little faux pearls on my button. And as I'm describing this, I'm actually pointing to myself and my chest, which is funny because I'm doing a voiceover and you can't see what I'm doing, but I guess it's habit from all of the years of being on camera. So this is just a little sheer sweater because it's still not quite warm enough for a summery look, so just a little something to go over the top. And oh, hey, look, you get a little behind the scenes because I forgot to cut this out when I was editing this video. Hey, look, it's my hand. Look how young my hand looks. Oh, that's a really great view. I usually edit this stuff out, but you know what? I'm going to keep it in here because sometimes style videos alone are kind of boring. So anyways, here is my look, and pay no attention to the reality TV playing in the corner. I hope you like it. Let me know if you want to see more, and I will see you guys next time.